Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to set solid color as wallpaper. Now, presently I am using Windows pre-built wallpaper. Now, for changing, I will go to settings and personalize here in background. Instead of picture, I will choose solid colors. Now, there are many options which is pre-built on Windows 11. You can choose any of these colors, or if you want you can customize also. You can create the color. Even when you click on more, you can use right here the values, custom values, or even you can write here also custom values. After writing, after writing it, 225, 225, 225. See, now I got the custom color. See, it became silver. Like this, we can use solid colors as a wallpaper. Thank you for watching, guys.